Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Abhishek Gaikwad, I am your computer teacher. So students, today we will start our first chapter number system. At the end of the chapter, students will able to know about number system, conversion from one number system to another, types of number system and binary arithmetic. So first of all, what is number system? The number system or the numeral system is the system of naming or representing numbers. It is used for naming and representing the numbers. There are various types of number systems. Now see here, in early days when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of finger stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. These methods were not adequate and had many limitations. A number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities. Many number systems were introduced with the passage of time. The total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. Base. Base is the number of digits combination of digits that a system of counting uses to represent a number. And radix. Radix is a term used to describe the number of digits. Also, for example, in the base 10 number system, there is a total of 10 digits. So 0 through 9 means 10 digits. Okay. Therefore, its radix is 10. Now see types of number system. Some important number system are as follows: decimal number system, octal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system. The decimal number system is used in general. Decimal number system काय में use करते हैं general. However, the computers use binary number system. The octal and hexadecimal number system are also used in the computer. Octal and hexadecimal number system भी कंप्यूटर में यूज किया जाता है. Now see decimal number system. The need for counting has paved the path to introduce decimal number system in which 0 to 9 are used to form any number. 0 to 9 means are used to form any number. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with decimal numbers. Now see it consists of 10 digits. That means 0 to 9 with the base 10. Each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form a numeric value. Example 78, 25, 500, 42, 55, etc. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following. Now see the face value of the digit, the position of the digit in the number and the base of the number system. How much base it contains. Now see one example they have shown us. For example, the decimal number 547 consists of the digit 7 in the unit position. 7 कौन से position में? Unit position. 4 in the tens position. 4 कौन से position में? 10. And 5 in the 100 position, and its value can be written as 5 into 100 means 500. 4 into 10 means 40, and 7 into 1 means 7 ones are 7 means 7. Now see is equal to 5 into 10 powers 2 plus 4 into 10 powers 1 plus 7 into 10 raised to powers 0. Now see 5 into 100 means 500. 4 into 10 40 plus 7 is equal to its calculation becomes 547. Now see students, binary number system. डिजिटल कंप्यूटर रिप्रेजेंट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ डाटा इन इंफॉर्मेशन. डिजिटल कंप्यूटर से क्या हमें क्या मिलते हैं? सब ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ डाटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन इन द बाइनरी सिस्टम. द बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ ओनली 2 डिजिट. इसमें कौन से डिजिट यूज किए जाते हैं? सिर्फ 2, 0 एंड 1. सिंस दिस सिस्टम यूजेस ओनली 2 डिजिट, इट हैज द बेस 2. बेस कौन से? हाउ मच बेस इट इज? बेस 2. All digital computers use this number system and convert the data input from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Binary equivalent से इसका क्या होता है? From the decimal format convert the data. Now see use of binary number system. A computer cannot understand human language. The data which is entered into a computer is converted into binary form because a computer understands only binary code. It further converts the binary result into their decimal equivalent for output. It will give you output, means it will display the result. The biggest advantage of the binary number system is its simplicity. Biggest advantage क्या है binary number system का is its simplicity. Any device with an on-off switch can be converted into a computing device using the binary number system with 0 representing off and 1 representing on. Means what? 0 will represent off and 1 will represent on. Like that, switch on off. Suppose you have to on the switch, means it represent 0, it represent on, and you have to off the switch, means it represent 0, like this. Now see, octal number system. The octal number system consists of 8 digits. How many digits is contained? 8. That is 0 to 7 with the base 8. 0 to 7 means 8 digits are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 with the base 8. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. Also it is similar to binary to decimal conversion. The only difference is the change of base. Difference क्या है? सिर्फ base का change. Octal numbers can be made by binary numerals by grouping consecutive binary digits into groups of 3. Starting from the right, you have to make three groups, 3-digit groups, starting from the right with the help of conversion table. Okay. Now see hexadecimal number system. This number system contains 16 digits. Hexadecimal में कितने digit है? 16. And therefore as the base 16, it uses the standard numeral system 0 to 9 and includes 6 extra symbols A to F. How many digits are there? 0 to numeral system has 0 to 9 and includes extra 6 symbols means A to F. All the conversion from the hexadecimal to any number system and vice versa is done with the help of the given table. This is the given table we will see while solving the conversion. See now decimal system, decimal number system. For example, the decimal number is number 547, consists of the digit 7 in the unit position, in the units position, 4 in the tens position, 4 in the tens position and 5 in the 100 position. Now its value is written as, now see here, the decimal number is 547. Okay, what is the decimal number? 547 consists of the digit 7 in the unit position, 4 in the tens position and 5 in the 100 position. Now its value is written as, now see here, first of all, what you have to 5 in the 100 position means 5 into 100. Then 4 in the tens position, 4 in the tens position means 4 into 10, and 7 in the unit position means 7 into 1. Okay, we will do direct calculation now. Now see here, 5 into 10 powers 2, 4 into 10 powers 1 plus 7 into 10 raised to power 0. Now see here, 5 into 100 means how many? 5 into 100 means 500. 4 into 10, 40. 7 into 1, 7. Okay. Now do calculation. 500 plus 40 plus 7 means 547. This is the answer. Now see students, hexadecimal number system column we will see. In your computer workbook there is one conversion table is there. Okay. I will show you one easy table of conversion of hexadecimal number system that you will understand fast. Now see here, in your in computer workbook there is one conversion table. From right hand side there binary numbers are written and hexadecimal numbers are written over there. Okay. Now we will start. Now see here. So we will start that binary and here hexadecimal number. Okay. Now I will write here binary numbers first of all. Now see 0 0 0 0. Okay. 0 0 0 1 0 0 10 0 0 11 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay. And 1 1 1 1. Now see here students, this is the series of binary numbers. Now see here, first of all in first column all zeros are there, then afterwards 1, then 10, 11, 100, 101, 110, 111, then 1000. Okay. Then afterwards again 1, 10, 11, 100, 101, 110, 111. This is the series. Okay. Now I will write here hexadecimal numbers. Let's start from 0 to 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now I will write some extra 6 symbols here. A to F, A B C D E F. Okay. This is the hexadecimal number. Now see here. Now these are 16 digits. How many digits are there? 16. Okay. Now see here. These are 16 digits. 16 divided by 2. How many? 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Okay. 16 divided by is equal to 8. Now see here. 8 times 0. How many times 0? 8 times 0. How many zeros are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 times 1. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 0 and 8 times 1. Means 16 digits are there. We will divide 16 divided by 2 means 8. Now see here. Now 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 means how many? Means 4. Okay. 8 divided by 2 means 4. Now see here. In second column. 4 times 0, 4 times 1. 4 times 0, 4 times 1. Understand? 4 times 0, 4 times 1. 4 times 0, 4 times 1. Means what? Here 8 divided by 2 we have done 4. Okay. Now 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. Here I have written 2. Now see here. 2 times 0, 2 times 1. 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 Okay. Now see here. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now see here, 1 time 0, 1, 1 time 1, 1 time 0, 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 1 time 1. Like this calculation we have done. Okay, this is the series of hexadecimal number system. Okay students, from this conversion table you have to solve the sums. Okay, from this table is very important for you. For looking this table you can solve the conversion. Okay, now see students, we will see conversion from one number to another. Decimal number to binary number conversion. Divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2 and repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. Now see students, we will take one example. For example, convert 156 base 10 to its binary equivalent. Now see students, we will solve this example. So 156 divided by 2. Now see students, 156 divided by 2 means how many? 78. Remainder is 0. Again 78 divided by 2 means how many? 39. Remainder is 0. Then afterwards 39 divided by 2, remainder is means what? 19. Remainder is 1. 19 divided by 2 means how many? 9. Remainder is 1. 9 divided by 2 means 4. Remainder is 1. 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. Remainder is 0. 2 divided by 2 means how many? 1. And remainder is 0. And like 1 is should be 1. Now see, hence the binary equivalent of 156 base 10 is how many? You have to write the numbers from downside to upside. What you have to do? You have to write the numbers from downside to upside. Is how many? 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 and its base is 2. Like this your answer should be there. Now see students, second example, convert 13 base 10 to its binary equivalent. Now we have to convert 13 base 10, this example. Now see students, 13 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 2, 1. Means 13 divided by 2, 6. Remainder 1. 6 divided by 2 means 3. Remainder 0. 3 divided by 2. Remainder 1 and 1 is 1. Now see here, hence the binary equivalent of 13 is 1101 base 2. This numbers you have to write from bottom to upward. Now see students, binary number to decimal number conversion. We will study binary number to decimal number conversion. See which are the steps. Multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2, starting from the extreme right digit. Increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. You have to keep the base as 2. Sum of all product to get decimal number. Now see students, we will convert one example. See, convert 111001 base 2 to its decimal equivalent. Decimal equivalent. Convert 111001 base 2 to its decimal equivalent. How we will convert? See here now. Solution. The decimal number is equal. The decimal number is equal. The sum of power of 2 and binary number one digits place. Now see here, which is the binary number? Binary number 111001. This is a binary number. Now we will see how it is become. See here now. Let's start from 1 means what? 0 1 2 3 4 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Now see here, 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 like this. Now see, 1 into 2 raised to 0 like that, 0 into 2 raised to 1 like that, 0 into 2 raised to 2, 1 into 2 raised to 3, 1 into 2 raised to 4 and 1 into 2 raised to 5 like this. From back side we have taken. Now see here, we will calculate this 2 power 5 times, 2's power 5 times, 1 into 2 raised to 5, 2 power 5 times means what? 32. 1 into 2 raised to 4, 2's power 4 times means what? Plus 16. Now 1 into 2 raised to 3 means 2 power 3 times means how many? 8. 0 2 raised to 2 means it will be 0. 0 into 2 raised to 1 means it will 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 means 1 into 2 means plus 1. So how many? 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 1 it become 57 base 10. Here is the your decimal equivalent is of 111001 base 2 is how many? 57 base 10. Now see another example. Convert 1101 to its decimal equivalent. Now see how we will convert this binary number 1101. Now see students, this will become this becomes is equal to 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 means what? From back side we have taken 1 into 2 raised to 0, 0 into 2 raised to 1 and 1 into 2 raised to 2 and 1 into 2 raised to 3 from back side, like that 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. You understand? Now see here, from back side we have taken this. Suppose 1 into 2 raised to 0 power, 0 into 2 raised to 1, 1 into 2 raised to 2 and 1 into 2 raised to 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. Now see, 1 into 2 raised to 3 means 2 power 3 times means how many? 8. 2 into 2 into 2 into means how many? 3 times means of 8. Now see, plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 power means 2 power 2 times means 4. 0 into 2 raised to 1 means 0 power 6 means 0 and plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 means 1 plus this 1. Now 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 means what? 13. Like this is binary number to its decimal equivalent. Now see students, octal number system. The octal number system consists of 8 digits, that is 0 to 7 with the base 8. In your computer workbook there is octal number system conversion table is there. Okay, now see, I will show you. First of all we will write here binary and here octal. Okay, now see, we will start writing binary number 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. Now see, this is the series of octal number system. Okay, starting with 0, 1, 10, 11. Okay, 1, 10, 11, 100, 101, 110 and 111. 8 digits are there. Okay, now see here, I will write octal number 0 to 7. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is octal number and this is binary number. Okay, now see students, let us start division. Now see, 4 times zeros are there and 4 times 1. 4 times zeros are there. Okay, and 4 times 1s are there. Now see here, 4 divided by 2. Okay, then 4 divided by 2, 2. Now see second column, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, then 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 1 times 0, 1 time 1, 1 time 0, 1 time 1, 1 time 0, 1 time. This table is very important and this will help you to solve the conversion problem. Okay, now see students, we will see octal number to binary number conversion. This is the chart of the octal number to binary number conversion. From this chart, you have to do the conversion. Now see, the leftmost 0 are omitted from the number. What you have to do? You have to omit leftmost 0. जो भी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 0 है आपको क्या करने हैं, ओमिट करने, निकाल डालने हो. From with the help of this chart, you have to look first this chart and then only you have to do conversion. Now we will take one conversion. Suppose convert octal number 174 base 8 to its binary equivalent. Now see solution. What is our octal number? Octal number is 174. Now see what you have to do. Now you have to write down the 3-bit number. This is 3-bit number. 3-bit number from the table. From the 3-bit number you have to write from the table. From the table you have to write that number. To each octal digit. Now see here. Now we will write octal number. Octal number. What is our octal number? 174. This is what? This is our octal number. 3 numbers this is. Now see. Now we have to write. Now we have to write binary number. Binary number we have to write. Now see 1. Now see chart. Now see this chart. 1 means what? 0 0 1. 1 means what? 0 0 1. Now see this. 1 means what? 0 0 1. Okay. Now see 7. Now see the chart. 1 1 1. Put the value here. 1 1 1. Now 4. Now see the chart. Here 4. 1 0 0. Right here 1 0 0. With the help of chart we have to write this. Now see here, hence the binary equivalent of 174 base 8 is you have to, first of all I have tell you have to remove the leftmost 0. What you have to do? You have to remove the leftmost 0. Then how you will write? 2 0 you have remove. Then see here 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 base 2. This is your binary equivalent. What you have do? You have remove लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 2 0. लेफ्ट इसके पहले के 2 0 आपने क्या किए, निकाल डालिए. नाउ दिस इज योर सॉल्यूशन. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू remove that 2 zeros from the left hand side.